Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Start on Android. Update WhatsApp and open the app to ensure the in-app transfer option is available. On iPhone, sign into your Apple ID and enable iCloud Drive so backups can save there later. Once done, install Move to iOS on Android. You can also use a Lightning USB-C cable for a faster direct transfer. Make sure both phones are charged, on the same Wi-Fi, or physically connected. This prepares both sides, so the chat migration can begin immediately. On Android, start Move to iOS and follow its setup until you see the WhatsApp transfer option. Choose chats, media, and attachments to include. Alternatively, connect the phones with a compatible cable and run WhatsApp's transfer tool inside Settings, Chats Move Chats to iPhone, follow the on-screen QR or prompts. Once the transfer completes, install WhatsApp on the iPhone, verify the same phone number, and accept the import. This writes your Android chats into WhatsApp on iPhone ready for an iCloud backup. After the chats are in WhatsApp on iPhone, go to Settings, Chats, Chat Backup, and tap Backup Now to upload everything to iCloud. Make sure iCloud Drive is enabled, you have sufficient iCloud storage, and you're on stable Wi-Fi. Keep the app foregrounded until the upload finishes. If something goes wrong, verify both phones use the same phone number and the latest WhatsApp version. Try the cable method or reinstall and repeat the transfer. One key tip: confirm iCloud space before retrying to avoid.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.